You may need to add PLC modules as a child or parent or individual parts into a drawing. To do that, you have to select the PLC module from Icon menu in the Insert Components panel. In the Display dialog box, you can see the menu area which contains a list of schematic symbols. I find the PLC and the symbols with the prefix 1 are the parent symbols, and the other symbols with the second prefix are child symbols. Here you can choose your desired symbol, and in the next step you will be asked to specify insertion point. So I'm going to place it. Then the Edit PLC dialog box will be displayed. In this part, you can specify the input-output address and the description of point, and also catalog data for a parent symbol. You have to pay attention that you cannot assign catalog information to a child symbol. After doing that, by choosing OK, the module will be placed. This one was a parent symbol, and if you want, you can insert child symbol. To do that, from the Icon menu, select the child components with second prefix, and then you will be asked to specify insertion point. I'm going to do that, and then you have to define parent PLC module for the child you have inserted. I select parent sibling, and then, as you see in the command line, you will be asked to select PLC module. Select the PLC module as a parent, and on doing so, for the second time, the Edit PLC dialog box will be displayed. If you don't want to make any changes in this section, you can choose OK. And finally, it can be seen that the child PLC is linked to parent one. In the other hand, they are related together as it is displayed here. Reference number of child is written on parents and vice versa.